Okay, number 4 is a problem with parameters in it, and we're trying to solve for x and y. So my first goal here is probably to make a substitution by solving one of the equations for either x or y. So let's write this down. I'm going to take the first equation and solve it for, whoops, doesn't really much matter. Let's solve it for y. And what's y going to be? 2a minus 1 minus x. Then take this, plop it in there. And what do you get? Let's take a look. You get x, and y is going to be 2a minus 1 minus x, and that equals a squared minus a minus 2. All right, let's keep working through it. And what do you get? You get 2ax, let's see, minus x squared equals a squared minus a minus 2. Well, it's certainly quadratic. I see the x squared, and then I'm going to take this, bring it on the other side, which would be x minus 2ax, and then it's going to be plus a squared minus a minus 2, and this equals 0. Let's keep going. This is x squared. I'm going to factor the x out. That way we get a coefficient. What's coefficient going to be 1 minus 2a, x, and I'm going to factor this out here and see what it factors to. I'm going to say a, and it looks like 2 and 1 minus 2 plus 1. All right? So I'm going to do this by trial and error. It looks pretty easy. And I'll get 0, x, and x. And I'm going to say minus a plus 1 minus a minus 2. Now, it's easy to say something. I want to see if it's true. You certainly get the first term, and you certainly get the last one. Do I get the middle one, though? Let's see if I do. It would be minus a plus 2 and minus a minus 1, which would be minus 2a plus 1. And that's exactly what I have over here, minus 2a plus 1. So this works fine. Let me get my eraser out. I'm done with the checking. And let's write down what x is. What's x? X could be a plus 1. That makes the first factor 0. Or x could be a minus 2. All right, now someone says, what do you do now? Well, you know y is 2a minus 1 minus x. You plug it in. So let's see, 2a minus 1. I'll write this over here for you. Minus a minus 1. What does it give you? A minus 2. All right, let's do this one. Y. Well, I'm going to plug it in again. So it's 2a minus 1 minus a plus 2, which is going to be a plus 1. So we get 2 points. A plus 1, a minus 2. The other point is a minus 2, a plus 1. I want to look at my key, and I want to see if I have those answers over there. Whoops, we're on this key over here. Sorry about that. So let's see if we got them. A plus 1, a minus 2, a minus 2, a plus 1. All right? Not a bad problem. Parameters do make it more difficult, but nonetheless, we got the same answer that's in the key. A graph is not being provided here because it's hard with the parameters to put a graph down. Thank you.